I wanted a spare top removing toolkit to keep in my Jeep Gladiator that I could just leave in my center console. This one comes with a small ratchet and 2 bits. It also comes with a socket, which I think is for the doors, but I'm not a doors off, shirt off kind of guy. I just like removing the soft top all the way on the nicest days. All 3 bits are standard sizes, and you should probably be able to use them with impact drivers, but I personally wouldn't want to use these with anything more than a small powered battery screwdriver, which is exactly what I'm going to be using in this video. To test this toolkit out, I lifted the soft top on my Gladiator and climbed up onto the side rails I installed. I'm also just now noticing how dirty the top paint is underneath the soft top, which is driving my OCD crazy. I gotta clean that soon. Anyway, using the ratchet and bit works perfectly as expected. However, using a ratchet takes a long time to get the bolt out. So I wanted to try using it with my battery screwdriver, and it sorta works for the front bolt. The angle's a bit much though. That said, if you loosen the bolt with the small ratchet, you could then use the longer bit with a power screwdriver and it works just fine. If the bolt isn't already loose, you might strip it, but with a loose bolt it works great. Just use the ratchet for starting and finishing, but you could go ahead and use that longer bit to get that very long screw in and out very quickly. The rear bolt, however, doesn't have anything blocking it, so just loosen it with the ratchet if necessary and use the correct bit with a power screwdriver. This works perfectly and really speeds up removing these bolts, but when I put them back in, I do double check with the ratchet just in case to make sure they're snug. The toolkit even has a little pouch to store the screws if you'd like. Jeeps should have this built in, but if you don't want to move the seat to get to it, this little pouch works totally fine. Then you could tuck it all in and just store it in your center console. With this toolkit and a basic power screwdriver, I was able to take the top completely off the Jeep in well under 10 minutes. And that little toolkit will now never leave my center console.